Okay, let's review slope. So remember the word slope can also be written as rate of change. It describes the steepness of a line. So remember slope, dude? Puff, puff, positive. That's a positive slope. Nice, negative. It's a negative slope. And you always read it from left to right. This is zero fun, m equals 0. And this is an undefined, m equals undefined. To find slope on a graph, all we have to do is count rise over run and then reduce it. So you find 2 pretty points. Go ahead, put dots on your pretty points. And we count rise over run. So you start at the left one and you either rise or fall. So this one is down. So down 4 and run 3. Sometimes slope is written as a decimal, but usually we keep it as a fraction and we reduce it. If it is a situation with words, you'll usually have like a title up here. So it says Williams Family Road Trip. So the X value is time in hours. The distance is Y, distance in miles. So you do the rise. So in this case, it was 60. So you rise 60 and run 1. You've got to pay attention to the units of measure. It's kind of hard to see on here, but pay attention to those units. So it's 60 miles per hour because the Y is in miles. Okay, with an equation, that was like what we did on our warm-up. You're finding your M and your B. M is your slope. B is your y-intercept. And you just write what M is, and that's your slope. So M equals 3. It doesn't matter the order. You're just looking for the coefficient of X whenever it's in MX and B. So for example, 2, if it's reversed, M is still slope. Whatever value is in front of X is still your slope. So in this case, it was M is negative 1/2. If it's not written in y equals mx plus b, you may have to simplify the equation. All right, let's look at the table. So we have a table here. You can either do change of y over change of x, or you can use Desmos. So it tells you how to do Desmos in here. Add a table with values, type in the equation, M is your slope. And then from 2 points, you find the slope by labeling x1, y1, and then simplifying. So I'm going to do Desmos right now. And we are going to do the table. So click the plus sign. Click table. And go ahead and add your x's. So the x's are on top. 2, 4, 6, and 8. Then the y's are 0, 3, 6, and 9. Check your table versus mine. And then type in the equation. Y1, the squiggly, y'all help each other out at your table if somebody doesn't know. And M is your slope. See where my cursor is? M equals 1.5. But if I want that as a fraction, I can put 1.5 on that next line. And see how this, right beside 3, we have that fraction? Click it, and it gives it to us in fraction form. 3 over 2. If you're given 2 points, you can use this formula too. All right, so it's going to be your job at your table to do the 9 problems on the inside of these notes. Okay, so go ahead and get started. Whenever you get 3 in a row, ask for a check, and I will check it. You must work as a table.